asuntoskeittiö Salpasiika, Tuusulantaival 42 in Kerava staircase A. This sector is going to be modernized, unfortunately. It's going to be modernized tomorrow. So sad. This amazing old ValmetSchlieren elevator. Wow, this is amazing. The 1974 VS 3739. I will take 3 rides because it's the last ride. ValmetSchlieren are as common as König classics now in Kerava, but soon classic will be much more common, unfortunately. They are going to modernize these 2 elevators and later 8 ValmetSchlierens here in Kerava. 4 passenger, 320 kilograms. It's the 6th block. Let's take a look. No elevators. Inspected by inspector, maintained by Suomen Hissiurakointi engineering. I think this was maintained badly and this way it is going to be modernized, but fortunately with König rather than generic. Let's change direction. Works perfect, as always in ValmetSchlieren. The last inspection was in August 2017. Now the last ride down. So sad. Amazing light. Typical ValmetSchlieren light. I try to get fixtures from this elevator and in the other staircase also. Ground floor. Okay, that's